Good afternoon, Japan. Good afternoon, rest of the world. My name is Kaz. I'm a Japanese entrepreneur who recently moved to Singapore at the end of 2021. Today, I'm going to review my strategy when I create new income stream because I think it's a very important in order to survive in this tough market. I'm going to talk about today, and if you are interested in today's video, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start today's video. In order to survive in this difficult world, you have to constantly create a new revenue stream because trends and everything has been changing quite fast. So I have started my own company by eBay. Because of eBay, I'm here. However, if I didn't try anything new on top of the eBay business, I probably end up being in Singapore. In this era, everything has changed so fast, and then you can conduct multiple business with small team right now because of the internet and cryptocurrency and everything. So you don't have to build a big team like it used to be. Here is while the existing business is still doing fine, you should always start the new business. When the existing business is gonna start going down, you don't have enough resource and money to try something new, right? So it's always nice to reinvest of what you made into something new while your business is still running fine. That's what I'm trying to do. Right now, I'm running multiple companies, but I'm not gonna just satisfy with our current revenue interest stream only. So I'm trying to always find a new way to make money. Currently, I have about 6 income streams. Each one of them is gonna be very, very important for me. I'm not gonna say which business is gonna be our main business. All of them is gonna be my full-time job. I only had a small seed when I started it, but my seeds start, it's like a snowball, right? My seeds getting bigger and bigger and bigger. When the seeds keep growing, you're gonna have a more bigger profit. So it's like compound interest. I trying to keep rolling the original capital, and then my revenue is going to be bigger and bigger. I'm 43 right now, so I'm not gonna try to work exactly the same way as when I was 25 or 30. I try to utilize my bigger capital right now and then try to let the money works more, so it's going to be more investment. For me, investment is getting more important part of my capital creation strategy ongoing. So of course, I'm going to continue to work, but aggressively get more investor side. So I work hard and reinvest very hard so I can keep growing my seed. If you are working, you shouldn't spend all the money that you make for, entertainment, anything like that. You should always invest to yourself and also invest for something that generates more income or more like an interest kind of thing. Anyway, that's it for today's video. And if you enjoyed today's video, please thumbs up. And I hope you subscribe my channel. Please click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new video. Please follow my Twitter because I'm talking about the life in Singapore, and thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye.